Yeah. Hey people!
Kijk, Mom.
It is Friday, October the 7th. And it is 3:36 in the afternoon. And I'm here in an elevator at the Park Hyatt Hotel in downtown Toronto on Bloor Street. And we're heading up to a room where my sister is staying with her family here. She doesn't like to be on video, but she's right here beside me. And my nephews are here. That's Eli, and this is Max. And they're in town for... Last time they were in town was for a bar mitzvah. This time they're in town for a bat mitzvah. So we're going to be heading into the room here. They have two rooms adjoining one another.
Do you need more time?
Yeah,
You just came?
because he just left like a few minutes.
Who just left? Oh, my husband? Oh no, he was here. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Oh, I didn't know.
And it's okay. And we missed the bed. I was like,
Well, I guess that side of the room is still being cleaned right now, but they have two adjoining rooms here.
I didn't know that room was coming back.
And I didn't even notice what floor we were on. What floor are we
The
on?
ninth floor.
The 9th floor. Okay. So this is the room here at the Park Hyatt.
it's my garbage then.
Oh, look who's hiding over here. There's a nephew hiding in the drapery here. So let's check out the view. That's the first thing I do when I come into a hotel. So this view is looking south. There you can see the Church of the Redeemer right down there. And that's the other historic wing of the Park Hyatt, which you're seeing immediately to the south here. The wing we're in now is the newer wing. And off in the distance you can see some of the skyscrapers. You can see the Aura.
Oh, nice.
And that's Bloor Street crossing east to west right down below.
Can I get you some
And Avenue Road is the road that's running north and south.
Okay, I don't know. I'm just going to check the board.
So that's a pretty nice room. It's not like incredibly large or anything, but it's quite cozy.
Sorry, ladies. Okay. Thank you.
And a good sized TV. That looks like a good 50 inches or so. And what do you think of this room, Melissa?
I like it.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah. We were at the Ace Hotel. Like,
where's that?
it's new. It's beautiful. Really? It is so beautiful. But when I booked it, they were pretty much full.
Let's check out the bathroom.
This was like a room with two double beds in it, which would have been awesome.
A nice walk-in shower. And you can tell this is a well-used hotel bathroom. And we got a little coffee station here.
So they're fixing it in one day. That's fast. It was a fiasco though.
And there's a dingus in a mirror.
But yeah, they told me that I went last week
So let's look on the other side. I think it's pretty much a similar situation over here, only this room has two beds. Hello. How do you guys like this room?
Very cool.
Very cool.
Room tour.
And other than that, the furnishings are almost exactly the same. And the view also. There is a rooftop bar in the historic part of the hotel. I'm going to see if I can make my way over there. The views from up there are spectacular. I believe that's on the 17th floor, where you can look directly down on the Royal Ontario Museum and you get an expansive view of downtown. Much, much better than the view from here. And even the boys have a coffee station, although I don't think they'll be using it. But they do have some friends here who are making use of it. And this bathroom is much less well used looking.
Hello, video.
Hello.
So he said he had a little bit of a sore throat.
So I'm going to pause the video here, and then maybe we're going to try and make our way up to the
Wednesday.
rooftop
We
bar.
were just like, whatever.
So I'll be
And
back
So he went to school. He has this robotics class. He knows
in a flash.
it all. And then on Sunday, he was going to robotics again. He has it 2 days a week.
All right, so I'm back, and we're on the 17th floor. And this is in the historic wing of the hotel. And there's the nice restaurant patio up here. And I think this is it right over here. So let's see if we can just take a look at this view. Oh, we have some interesting artwork of local celebrities here. Hi there. Is it possible just to go out and look on the balcony? Yeah, okay. Thank you. How do we get out there, though? Is it over here? Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah. And we have made it. I didn't get any hassles about the camera. And look at this view.
Wow, look at that, eh?
I'd say this was worth it. So we're 17 floors up, as I mentioned. And right down below is the Royal Ontario Museum, which looks really awesome from above. You can see all sorts of angles and structures in the Michael Lee Chin crystal that you can't see from ground level. And that's Bloor Street directly down below. I'll make sure I don't drop my camera here. And I haven't been up here in a long time. Actually, the last time I was up here was when my sister was staying here another time, when she was still living in Toronto, but her house was being renovated. And so they had to stay in this hotel for 10 days. Well, they were unable to stay in their house. And that was a good 10 years ago, so the skyline has grown and changed quite a lot since then. The entertainment district has grown enormously with new towers. And so has the Bloor Yorkville skyline. And we got some music playing here. I'm not sure if this will result in a copyright claim, so I'll just keep talking over it as much as I can. And there's a look east down Bloor Street. And rush hour is upon us, and you can see traffic is quite backed up all the way down, as far as I can see. And there's Queen's Park, you can see directly ahead, that large thicket of trees. And down there is Queen's Park, the street. And also this is the Mink Mile. We're looking down east on Bloor Street here. And you can make out Lake Ontario off in the distance. You can see Robarts Library there, that large hulking brutalist looking structure. And the sun is setting in that direction, so I don't know if this will result in anything worthwhile to see in the video, but you can actually make out the towers of Mississauga off in the distance and Humber Bay Shores. So here we have it. An awesome view here from the Park Hyatt Hotel at the corner of Bloor Street West and Avenue Road from the 17th floor restaurant/bar. No one is out on the outdoor terrace here because it's a bit chilly right now. As I mentioned, it's only around 9 or 10 degrees Celsius with a bit of a wind. So, pretty awesome view, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Like you can see the lake too.
Yeah. So I'm going to start to wrap up the video. Hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of a couple of the rooms here at the Park Hyatt that my family is staying in. And up here at the rooftop terrace with this spectacular view of downtown. So leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Is this view better than the CN Tower, where I recently did a video? I don't know. In some ways it is. Right? Like in some ways it's better.
It is.
Because
You can actually see the
you're like kind of right in amongst the city.
in the middle of it. And you can
Yeah.
see all the new developments going up along the lakeshore. Like,
Yeah.
There's a lot of condos going up.
But obviously you can't see nearly as much from here as you can see from the CN Tower. And we're looking in the opposite direction. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you'd like to support the channel, there are links in the description where you can do so via PayPal, as well as via my merch store. And you can find me on Instagram under KContinuum. And there's also a super thanks button down below if you'd like to support the channel that way. So thanks for watching, and be sure to keep checking back because, as always, I will continue, and so will Megan.
Ooh, the sun.
And so will this awesome view, hopefully forever.